Here I have Alcatel 3 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the apps icon right here. Scroll down, choose settings. From the following list, you need to scroll down again and you need to find and select system. From the system, choose backup, and here you can use the Google Backup. So let's enable the backup to Google Drive. Now let's tap on account and you need to add the backup account. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have the internet access. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. And then now you need to sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Alright, tap next. Now let's enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info. Let's leave enabled backup to Google Drive. Tap more and tap accept. Tap OK. That's it. You just enable backup to Google Drive and you just add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.